All right, student update here. Hi, Leo. Hi, Mark. Let me put this out in the sun a little bit more. All right, Paul. So we made a lot of progress on this so far. As you can see, everything's pretty much mocked up. Mark did a good job figuring out the headlight, figuring out the charging system. We got to get this upholstered for the seat. Everything's pretty mocked up for paint. The next step at this point is to have our painter come down and just kind of go over with you, Mark, and because there's certain areas that we want to fix and touch up that needs body work, but we don't want to get too crazy. More or less though, that's where we're at. We're at that point right now. We're gonna break it down for paint. Anything else? I mean, I know when we take it down, you said about the bearing and the motor. I got that on order. Yeah. I actually ordered a whole kit, so all those things. All right. So that'll be good. That's really it. I know it's been a delayed project, but it hasn't been one that's not going to be fruitful. I mean, I think it looks a lot better. I know, Paul, you probably agree. And I apologize for the light. I'll give you a better view, but it's getting there. Once we get the paint and everything, I think we'll be good to go. Oh, that's a Lambretta. Vespa. Anyway.